Hello, beautiful friends. This is your throat chakra reading for the week from the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. If you'd like to get a personal reading, please feel free. You can book. Just look below for my website address to get yourself to that area. So we are going to take a look here at anything that may want to emerge about communication. Our center card is actually dealing with the throat chakra. The one on the left is from the Earth Star Chakra, and then the one on the right is from the Universal Chakra. So those are helper energies that are going to help ascend this chakra's energy. Yeah, I don't know what's been going on, but I know that as I've been reading for the week that this center card is kind of making sense. I feel like you have reached a new level of self-mastery in something that you may have been studying. It may have felt like something that was kind of foreign to you, probably dated even. And you're feeling more comfortable in it. You're feeling as if it's more authentic for you. You've absorbed it. You've integrated it. And you may be showing up kind of awkward about it. It may not be appearing that way, but it's doing something for you at least, you know. And it's definitely got you alive still. I don't think that you're fully integrated, that you fully have claimed this, but you're like in the process of transformation with it. I'm kind of giggling because there's this real feel like I can sense the overlay of the two different beings, like not fully integrated, but they're starting to come together. It just feels kind of strange, like a costume type of vibe on it. Okay, so yeah, all right. These other two cards really have a mirroring quality to them. So this one feels like you're very isolated, like you're seeking something, and you're getting more in tune with this idea of the almost like supernatural in the everyday, like in the normal, that there's not really a differentiation between the two. It's becoming more commonplace to perceive things more with like that third eye almost quality. Yet you're like the observer here, you know, you're not of it so much. And you're very much in that energy of just sort of being small, like you realize like how minuscule you are within the larger framework of reality, and you seem calm about that and fine with it. Because you also know that you're part of this whole reality too. Now, let's see what's coming in here. You may have some other people that are starting to show up here that are kind of encouraging you to go into a new area and explore something new. And I think you're contemplating it. I don't know if you are completely sold on it. You may not be trusting this so much. You may not be sure if it's just an illusion. So I think you're just thinking things over, like you're being cautious a little bit. And this may have something to do with this, you know, like progressing this even further. Like if you want to, like how deep do you really want to go in something that you've been exploring here. There is this kind of warren feel to it as well, like there is It's like such a devotion to it that maybe you're not cultivating your own physical world as much, like your own self-care. Like you're giving a lot to just being in the process of getting into like a deeper reality, it feels like. Yeah, okay. That's all that wants to come out. So tomorrow we're going to do the third eye chakra. So come along for the fun if you can. Until then, take really good care.